What if I told you that one Chinese SUV is challenging the world's biggest luxury brands and doing it with futuristic technology, stunning design, executive-class comfort, and next-generation AI safety features? Today on ChinaSmartCars Tech, we're taking a complete tour of the incredible 2026 Lynk and Co 900, a luxury SUV that looks like it came straight from the future. From its breathtaking exterior design to its ultra-premium interior and intelligent collision avoidance system, this SUV is built to impress. Stay with us until the end because we'll also see this luxury beast conquering highways, mountains, snowy landscapes, and even traveling with a full police escort. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold and futuristic front design of the Lynk and Co 900. The massive front fascia creates a commanding road presence that instantly makes this SUV stand out from the crowd. The sleek LED daytime running lights stretch elegantly across the front, giving the vehicle a premium and futuristic personality. Finished in a stunning metallic blue color, the SUV looks incredibly sophisticated under daylight. Every line and curve has been carefully designed to improve aerodynamics while maintaining a luxurious appearance. This is not just another SUV, it's a statement of modern automotive design. Moving to the rear, the Lynk and Co 900 continues to impress with its clean and elegant design language. The wide stance makes the SUV look powerful and stable, while the sculpted rear bodywork adds a premium touch. The rear design combines luxury and technology perfectly. Every angle of the vehicle has been designed to create a sense of sophistication, making it look equally impressive whether parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising through a modern city. One of the most striking features of the Lynk and Co 900 is its advanced LED headlight system. At night, the SUV transforms into a futuristic masterpiece. The ultra-bright matrix LED headlights illuminate the road with incredible clarity while giving the vehicle a distinctive visual signature. These headlights are not just beautiful, they are also designed to improve safety by adapting to different driving conditions and ensuring maximum visibility. The futuristic lighting design creates an unforgettable presence on the road, making the Lynk and Co 900 instantly recognizable even from a distance. The rear lighting system is equally impressive. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the rear, creating a sophisticated and modern appearance. At night, the illuminated backlights give the SUV a premium luxury car look. The lighting design perfectly complements the vehicle's futuristic styling while improving visibility for other drivers. Whether viewed from behind on a highway or parked in a luxury district, the backlights make the Lynk and Co 900 look like a vehicle from the next generation. Under the hood, the Lynk and Co 900 showcases advanced engineering and modern automotive technology. The engine bay is designed with precision and efficiency in mind. Every component is arranged neatly, highlighting the SUV's premium engineering standards. Power delivery is smooth and responsive, allowing the vehicle to perform confidently in both city driving and long-distance highway journeys. The engineering team has clearly focused on creating a balance between performance, efficiency, and reliability. Luxury SUVs require premium wheels, and the Lynk and Co 900 delivers exactly that. The large alloy wheels enhance both appearance and performance. Their elegant multi-spoke design perfectly complements the SUV's premium exterior styling. Combined with high-performance tires, the vehicle offers excellent grip, stability, and driving confidence. Whether traveling on highways, mountain roads, or snowy terrain, the wheel and tire setup ensures maximum control and comfort. Step inside the Lynk and Co 900, and you'll immediately understand why this SUV is attracting so much attention. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional vehicle interior. Premium leather surfaces, elegant trim materials, and futuristic technology combine to create an incredibly sophisticated environment. Soft ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Every detail has been carefully crafted to provide a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. The interior demonstrates that Chinese automakers are now competing directly with the world's leading luxury brands. The rear seating area takes luxury to another level. Passengers are welcomed by spacious executive-style seats designed for maximum comfort. The generous legroom and premium materials create a true VIP experience. The ambient lighting enhances the sense of luxury, while the sophisticated design makes every journey feel special. Whether traveling across the city or embarking on a long road trip, rear passengers enjoy exceptional comfort and relaxation. This is the kind of rear seating experience normally found in ultra-premium luxury vehicles. The dashboard of the Lynk and Co 900 showcases the future of automotive technology. A massive digital display dominates the cabin, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and intelligent driving systems. The clean and modern layout ensures that everything remains easy to access while maintaining a luxurious appearance. Premium materials and ambient lighting further enhance the futuristic atmosphere. The dashboard successfully combines technology and elegance, creating a driving environment that feels both advanced and intuitive. Safety is one of the biggest strengths of the Lynk and Co 900. The SUV features an advanced AI-powered collision avoidance system capable of monitoring the vehicle's surroundings in real time. Using cameras, sensors, radar, and intelligent software, the system can detect nearby vehicles, pedestrians, and potential hazards. It continuously analyzes road conditions and provides warnings whenever necessary. This technology helps improve driver awareness and contributes to a safer driving experience. It's a perfect example of how modern automotive innovation can protect both drivers and passengers. When the Lynk and Co 900 reaches the highway, its true capabilities become apparent. The SUV glides smoothly at high speeds while maintaining impressive stability and comfort. Wind noise is minimized, allowing passengers to enjoy a quiet and relaxing journey. The powerful performance, advanced suspension system, and aerodynamic design work together to create a confident driving experience. Even at highway speeds, the vehicle remains composed and comfortable. This is where luxury and performance come together perfectly. As the sun begins to set over the mountains, the Lynk and Co 900 looks absolutely stunning. The metallic blue paint reflects the warm golden colors of the evening sky, creating a breathtaking visual experience. Surrounded by majestic mountain landscapes, the SUV demonstrates its versatility and adventure-ready character. Whether navigating winding roads or simply enjoying scenic views, it feels perfectly at home in this environment. The combination of luxury and natural beauty creates an unforgettable image. Imagine arriving at a grand royal palace in the Lynk and Co 900. The elegant architecture, marble surroundings, and majestic atmosphere perfectly complement the SUV's luxurious appearance. Its sophisticated design and premium presence make it look entirely appropriate in such an exclusive setting. This scene highlights the vehicle's ability to blend luxury, prestige, and modern technology effortlessly. Few SUVs can look this impressive in front of a royal palace. The Lynk and Co 900 also demonstrates its versatility in quieter environments. Driving through a peaceful village surrounded by morning fog creates a completely different atmosphere. The SUV's futuristic lighting system cuts through the mist while maintaining a calm and elegant presence. The contrast between modern technology and traditional surroundings showcases the adaptability of the vehicle. Whether in a busy city or a remote countryside village, the Lynk and Co 900 feels perfectly suited to its surroundings. Winter conditions are no challenge for this luxury SUV. Surrounded by falling snow and breathtaking mountain scenery, the Lynk and Co 900 continues to look powerful and confident. The metallic blue paint contrasts beautifully with the white snow-covered landscape, creating a truly cinematic appearance. The SUV's advanced technology and stable driving characteristics ensure confidence even in challenging weather conditions, making it an excellent companion for winter adventures. Finally, we witness one of the most impressive scenes. The Lynk and Co 900 travels in the center lane of a luxury highway with police escort vehicles positioned on both sides. This full protocol convoy emphasizes the SUV's flagship status and premium image. The vehicle commands attention wherever it goes, looking every bit like a luxury SUV designed for VIP transportation. The combination of advanced technology, luxury design, and commanding road presence creates an unforgettable final impression. The 2026 Lynk and Co 900 represents a major step forward for Chinese luxury vehicles. With its futuristic design, premium interior, advanced safety technologies, powerful performance, and exceptional versatility, it proves that the future of luxury SUVs is already here. From city streets to mountain roads, from snowy landscapes to royal palaces, the Lynk and Co 900 delivers a luxury experience that rivals some of the biggest names in the automotive world. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the 2026 Lynk and Co 900, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ChinaSmartCars Tech for more futuristic cars, luxury SUVs, and cutting-edge automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.